Up on the roof, hanging a tarp on the roof of the garage.
Yeah, and it's the south side's exposed, so we're trying to clean it up.
The view up here is pretty cool. There's the trailer. What are you doing? He's gonna get in the bucket to finish the job.
Moves a bit.
Oh, that's fun. Good thing you're in the bucket, not on the top of it, on the knuckle. But yeah, here on the roof. The roof doesn't look too bad for the moment. This chimney over here, look at the pieces of brick are coming off. It's brittle. Brad says it's been falling apart for years, and by the looks of it, I definitely believe him. But it's not going to anything anyway. And this way, farm field, look at that corn. Very cool. Still some boat traffic. This is Labor Day weekend. 1,000-footer there. Passing by.
Well, I can't reach this stuff. I got to move the bucket, so Julie's going to hop in the bucket, hopefully. And
I'm going to have to get in the bucket.
Yeah.
Well, that'll be.
And we'll get this tarp finished off.
Okay. Okay. I tried to get in the bucket up there, but I couldn't get over top of the flashing that's all pulled away and nails sticking out. So.
Piece of wood here that the tarp has to get lifted up and over.
Okay.
And drop, and then over. That should get that end straightened out too.
Brad can't be in the bucket and move the bucket at the same time, so I'm going to get in the bucket. We'll see how this
I
goes.
don't trust her moving the bucket.
I'm not sure I trust you moving the bucket, but... Okay, I'm in the bucket, and I'm going to keep my hands and parts inside the ride. I hope. So far, so good. Woo! All right, I can't film. Where are you? There you are. Okay, so it's all hammer stapled on the roof.
Strapping. I think it's solid. I don't think we're going to have any problems.
Okay. All right. It's not going to stop the mice from getting in.
Nope. But it'll stop the raccoons, hopefully.
Oh, I don't know. Nothing stops raccoons.
We'll figure a way.
Let's turn this porch into a shed.
Yep. Got a stash of 2x4s and a bunch of plywood here, and we'll get at her.
Okay, we got it framed in.
Yeah, time for the plywood.
Yeah, I did a little bit of
Chipboard.
cutting and measuring and
She's doing
using
good.
the nail gun. I got a long way to go. Brad's gone to get the skid steer. We're going to lift it up and block it. Level it up a bit before we put the plywood on the outside. It's better. Just use some 2x4 blocking. I think it worked.
Up some more.
Hold on. Okay, yeah, not quite level here. We're going to have to lift.
Lift this end up a little more and put some blocks in under here.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Well, let's see your technique on how to get me some plywood down here.
Okay. Gotta flip it because I don't like the stripes showing.
First it's a flip, then it's a stand, then it's a roll. Woohoo!
I got it.
Don't wipe out on camera.
Nope, I won't.
Here she goes. Almost. Oh, right on. giving her. That's
There we
5
go.
feet of muscle right there.
That's what I got. Check it out. This is definitely going to be a great storage shed. It's nice and solid now. Look at it. Got one more piece to put on. The roof is slanted so that the water goes that way, which is perfect. And we just got to measure that piece up. We took the shelves that were in the basement and put here in this porch. I think this is going to make great storage. I'm quite inspired to stack this full of stuff. We're going to burn some brush. This job I don't mind. We got some drinks and some crackers and cream cheese with cheddar and bacon. And it is a beautiful evening. The end of a really good day. Got the shed done. And we're cleaning up the yard. It's the Monday of Labor Day. It's Labor Day today. And it's gorgeous out. Yeah. And I don't know what we're going to do next week.
Bricks.
Okay. I hope we get to taking the bricks off the restaurant and readying it to move. Till next week. Say hello. Getting groomed tomorrow.